So myself, Shudhanshu Dubey. I belong to MP Gwalior, Jawar Colony. So I came to know through PM Surya Ghar, right? Solar energy and this natural energy. So I just explore all the options are available in the Gwalior. Then I came to know about this company and I just reach out them. Then the salesperson come and install this. So this solar panel I came to know from one of the reference. That lady come and took the initial quotation and everything. Then the engineer Mohit and team came and installed in 1 or 2 days, and everything went very well, smoothly, and from last 1.5 years it is working fine. Yeah, subsidy things also went very well. The girl from the same company did everything, paperwork and everything, and it got credited in directly in the account, I think 78,000. So that was pretty well and smooth. So I think previously bill is more than 10k, now it is equivalent to 0, and I recommend everyone to utilize this natural energy with PM Surya Ghar.
सोलर पैनल के लिए और अधिक जानकारी के लिए आज ही विजिट करें pmsuryaghar.gov.in।